This is your post-game recovery. If it helps you recharge after the work's done, hit like so more athletes can find it. The final whistle's gone. The crowd fades. What's left now is the body you built and the calm you've earned. You don't lose your edge when you rest. You sharpen it here. Find a seat or lie down. Let the weight leave your shoulders. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Inhale slow through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Everything you've been holding. You gave everything. Heart, lungs, muscle, mind. And even now, there's still a hum under your skin. That's adrenaline's echo. Not tension, just energy learning how to land. Inhale calm. Exhale the leftover fight. Feel the heart rate slow. The heat easing from your body. The noise in your head turning into quiet rhythm again. Let's start with your jaw. Unclench. Then your hands. Loosen them. Your shoulders drop an inch lower. Your back, let it melt into support. Every inhale draws in recovery. Every exhale releases fatigue. Imagine your breath sweeping through you like a slow tide, gathering strain, washing it out, leaving only the steadiness underneath. Now picture every muscle, every cell pulling in oxygen, pulling in light. This is repair. This is the body's quiet work. The rebuilding that happens after the noise. You don't have to force it. You just allow it. Your body knows how to reset. Your job is to get out of its way. Say softly in your mind, I recover strong. Again, I recover strong. The game's behind you now. There's nothing to fix, nothing to replay. What happened, happened. Inhale what you learned. Exhale what you can't control. What you keep is the experience. What you let go of is the weight. Feel your breath, steady, deep, and smooth. Your body lighter, your mind clear. This is the work too. When you open your eyes, carry this quiet confidence with you, knowing recovery is part of the performance. The work is done. I rebuild stronger. Subscribe to Mindfulete for meditations that help you rest, recover, and rise for what's next.